Welcome to Sophie's Kitchen. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to make buttermilk using only 2 ingredients. In a jug, we are going to pour in our milk. In the milk, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, or alternatively you can also use 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now mix these 2 things together and then let it sit at room temperature for a minimum of 30 minutes. You will notice that it gets thicker and it starts to coagulate. You will notice that it gets thicker and it starts to coagulate, and that is exactly what you want. Now you have your 2 ingredient homemade buttermilk in no time at all, and you can store this in the fridge for up to 3 days if you don't want to use it straight away. I use buttermilk to make my chocolate cake and red velvet cakes. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out all my other cooking and baking videos for lots of great tips just like this one. See you in the next one.